Steering versus counter steering. At what speed does it change? So recently my feed on most of the social media platforms have been filled with people explaining and demonstrating counter steering on motorcycles. Now, for those of you that don't know what counter steering is, in essence, when you're travelling at speed, if you want to turn left on the bike, you will push the bars slightly to the right, sends the bike into a lean, and you'll go off to the left, and vice versa if you want to go right. And that's great, that works really, really well. It helps you get into the corner. The more aggressive you are with the bars, the faster the bike turns. But that doesn't stand true for every time you're on the bike. If you're travelling at slow speeds in traffic, for example, and you're only doing about 5 miles an hour or 8 kilometres an hour, and you want to go left on your bike, you will turn the bars to the left, and the bike goes to the left. So it doesn't stand true in all scenarios, which got me thinking, at what speed is that sweet spot where it stops going from steering and comes to counter steering? So that's what we come here today to try. So I found a relatively open, quiet, unused piece of road. I brought my trusty R3 with me. The reason we're not doing it on the Panigale, for anybody that's ever had a Panigale V4, is it gets hot. This doesn't. This will handle this brilliantly. So we found a lovely quiet piece of road. We've got the bike, and we're going to do the test in 5 mile an hour, 8 kilometres an hour increments. So starting at 5 mile an hour, we'll do left, right, 10 mile an hour, left, right, and so on and so forth, until we get to that sweet spot of where steering becomes counter steering. Let's go. So 5 mile an hour, and we turn left, and we turn right, absolutely fine, as normal. Now I've got a car behind us, I might have to just pull in here. So we can get up to 10 mile an hour, and at 10 mile an hour we're still doing left, and we're still doing right. We're going to do 15 mile an hour and 20 mile an hour, see how we get on. So let's get up to 15. So there we go, 15 mile an hour, and again, still turn left and right. Oh, that was 18 there. Okay guys, so we've gone up and down a few times now, tested loads of various speeds. I've got to be honest with you, that was more difficult than I thought it was going to be, actually feeling when the bike starts to steer, goes from steering to counter steering. I think we found the sweet spot though. It appears to be 20 miles an hour. And so you can really feel the difference. The steering starts to get heavier and heavier when you increase your speed, but at 20 mile an hour the bike then significantly starts going the other way. So when you turn to the left, the bike then starts pulling nicely to the right hand side. So 20 mile an hour, but that's just on this bike. Other bikes may vary, obviously depending on your the wheel size, what the wheel's made out of, the fork length, the rake trailed style of the bike. It may all vary. This was just a guide, and I'll be honest with you, this was more for me. I was curious to know. But there you go. We now know that roughly 20 mile an hour is where you change from normal steering to counter steering. I hope you enjoyed it, and like and subscribe guys, helps me build more content, and I'll see you all soon. Have a great day everyone.